Hey guys, DriveShaftDrew here. How y'all doing today? Well, today I'm going to do a little bit of a review. I got these cameras from Heimvision, and basically I'm going to do an unboxing video on these right now, and then I'm going to set them up and do a separate video on the setup and on how they work. So right now I just want to talk about the cameras. They are outdoor Wi-Fi security cameras. They're the HM311, and they're a 2-camera kit. And these are wireless cameras. I thought they were wired cameras, but they're wireless. But the key features on them, they have a handy 2-way audio, floodlights and siren warning system. They have local and cloud storage supported. So you could, for local, you just get a SD card and put SD cards into them, or you could get the cloud storage for them as well. They are on VIF protocol supported, intelligent motion detection, and they are waterproof metal enclosures. Now what comes in the box is an outdoor Wi-Fi security cameras, 2 of them, 5 decibel antennas that come with them, screw set, waterproof kit for LAN port, the adapters, user manual, and the LAN cables. They support local storage up to 128 gigs. So that means you can put a 128 gig card in them. The lenses are 3.6 millimeters by 110 degrees. And the IR distance, because they have infrared for night vision, is 98 feet. And the power supply is 12 volts or 1 amp. Now these things can be used, set up for either on your phone or on your actual computer monitors, depending on how you set them up. So, they're also 3 megapixel, by the way. So that's some of the features on these cameras according to the box. And there are other things, I'm sure, but we're going to unbox it and see what we have here. Okay, so as you unbox, you see that they're well packed in here. Okay, they have your ready link, so if you want to go onto the phone, you can do it on your phone. And then there's a dedication card. Okay, it comes with the user manual, which we'll have to read through. And I'm not going to do that in this video. We're just going to basically unbox here. More styrofoam. The styrofoam we obviously going to put aside. Okay, this is actually the kit itself. And then the 2 cameras. Okay, so let's just pull out the cameras here and see what we got. We have the infrared for night vision on there, and we also have the 2 floodlights on there. And man, are these things heavy. They are a heavy metal base, definitely. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, it is, wow, these things are really heavy. I'm actually impressed with them so far. They look like they're going to be good cameras. They're fully adjustable. And there's, I guess, just loosen up the screw to adjust it up and down, or to turn it on the base. The same thing, just loosen up the screw and it turns on the base. So they're fully 100% adjustable. So, okay, and then that's basically what's in the box itself, as you guys can see. So we're just going to put this aside for now. And then we'll see what accessories come with it. Like I say, I'm going to have to read through the manual, figure out how it all works, and then get them hooked up. But for now, let's just see what they all come with. There's their 2 antennas. Oh, all kinds of stuff here. Okay. So there's the empty box. We'll just put it there for a minute. Okay. So you got your power supply, which plugs into a regular 120 volt outlet, and I guess it plugs into your camera somehow. So you got 2 power supplies, 1 for each camera. You got your cables, your 2 setup cables, and then you got the screw kits. So it comes with 2 screw kits as well, and 2 of the hardware waterproof packaging for the cabling, and then it comes with your 2 antennas. Okay, so you got 2 of everything in there, and it also has 2 templates for mounting purposes. So you can use your templates, I guess, put them on, stick them on the wall, because they look like stickers, yeah. So you can just stick them to where you want to mount them, and then it tells you where to drill your holes for mounting. So those are handy to have. Okay, and basically that's the unpackaging of them. And then as far as hookup goes, it looks like we have, yeah, you got your cables that you plug into here. So they would just slide in. So you got those cables there, and I guess this would be your power cable. And this is a reset button. So if you have to reset it, there's a reset button as well, built onto each one. So that's actually pretty nice. So from there, guys, I guess what I got to do is I got to start reading through all the owner's manuals and instructions. And on the next video, I'll, I guess, show setting them up and how they work. So for now, from DriveShaftDrew, that's the unboxing video of the 2 new cameras. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.